Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day today. Today is 27th of May, Thursday 2021. As always, I would like to show you how I analyze market and help my traders to bank amazing pips today and the best trade of the day. Let's dig into the system and let's see how I did today. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis update reviews, so feel free to subscribe my channel. Just to recap guys, these are the intraday analysis. If you would like to know how I trade through this platform, watch that video, link is given in the video description. Let's move into the Euro USD, pound dollar and the dollar CAD. Euro USD, if you look at here, today we haven't seen any big moves in the Euro USD, but you can see here consolidation even in 4 hour. You can see yesterday we had a beautiful short trade, and today we were expecting the price might going to break, where we have this pullback by the way today from here. So we have a pullback short trade, and afterwards we keep taking a pullback, and we were expecting price might going to break this triangle pattern. Still haven't any movement. So let's see tomorrow guys. Tomorrow is Friday, so we're looking this breakout and we'll let you know. And let me share with you today's analysis. We had only one analysis, as you can see here, based on the yesterday. Yesterday we had the short trade here, and today, as always, after the breakout, we're expecting another pullback, and that's what we're explaining to trader. Look for pullback at this level, which you can see here. Price nicely developed pullback at this level. So in 4 hour, and this is the pullback. Beautiful bank, beautiful pips, and keep taking a pullback as long as the price is going to respect this level. You can see in 4 hour we have taken 1, 2, 3 beautiful short trade here, and we were expecting breakout of this one. We'll let you know tomorrow if the price is going to break, and if the price develop any interesting pattern in intraday, then we're going to take trade accordingly. All right, so this is the Euro USD, pretty straightforward. We haven't seen any good moves, but still, as being an intraday trader, keep taking a pullback short trade. Let's move into the pound dollar cable. We had interesting moves, most of the cable pair. If you look at the 4 hour, yesterday we had a beautiful short trade here. We were expecting the price might going to break this level, which is 4911 level, which is the previous low. As you can see, price respected many times. So, and you can see here, this is 100 EMA in 4 hour, and which is above the 200 EMA. We were expecting price might going to respect, and then we're going to have a long trade here. And if you look at here in intraday, let me share with you guys based on that movement. If you look at the intraday trades, we have this triangle pattern in a London morning session. We were expecting this breakout, triangle pattern breakout. You can see here, so you can see here, this was the pattern we were looking at breakout as mentioned on the analysis. So we have this, technically we explained to trader, as long as the prices stay above this bullish momentum line. And if you look at the bottom, momentum was bullish, and we were looking in 4 hour, as you can see here, price was respecting in 100 EMA. And if you look at the intraday, we explained to trader, price looks like is developed inverted head and shoulder pattern. So more likely price might going to break this one. We can see here momentum was very bullish. So you can see we had this breakout trade, and as soon as the price hit to the first target, we hold it as soon as the price hit this level, which is 41756 level area. And that's what we explained to trader, it's time to bank some profit. So we had a beautiful long trade at the London morning session, and afterwards at the New York session, as always, explained to my trader, look for another pullback at this level, as you can see here, and explain to my trader, if the price gonna break, then we should be taking a long trade here, and you can add another one in scaling if the price gonna break this one. As you can see, the momentum was very strong bullish. So we have this breakout, we also had this wedge breakout, and afterwards, as you can see here, keep taking a pullback as long as the momentum is bullish. And if you look at here, the price broken this major trend resistance line, beautiful and strong bullish candles, keep taking a pullback, and as soon as the price hit to the previous high, which is you can see at this level, and that's what we explained to trader, it's time to consider banking some pips. So you can see in the London morning session we had a breakout based on the momentum, based on the 4 hour price chart. You can see here price nicely respected major support 100 EMA, and beautiful long trade on pound dollar today, both at the New York session and the London morning session. All right, so let's move into the dollar CAD. Dollar CAD, if I show you, yesterday we were long, as you can see here, buying beautiful pips, as explained to you yesterday, guys. If the price is going to respect, which is the daily high, you can see here resistance level, which is 21,437 level, price nicely respected. And then today we were expecting the price might going to respect this level and probably gonna have some long trade here if the price gonna respect this level, which is previously broken. As you can see here, we might going to see another pullback, but the price did not develop pullback break, and we were short whole day today, and our target was 2556 level, which price nicely hit. Let me share with you the today's intraday analysis. And if you look at here in the morning, as I said to my traders, guys, the first priority, because yesterday we were long, based on that, as I said to my trader, we should be looking a long trade here. Okay, so you can see here this analysis I had explained to my trader. First priority would be the pullback. That's the first priority at this level, which is you can see here as mentioned in the analysis, pullback at this level. And if you don't see the pullback, any green candle, and if the price gonna break, which is we explained through live audio commentary and through live analysis, then if the price break and retest, then look for confirmation and then short. As you can see here, price broken. After the breakout, price retest, which is we communicate with our traders. And if you look at very carefully, the price did not break this orange EMA and this blue fib channel, and price nicely broken this support level, now become resistance, pullback. And the most important thing is, if you look at the bottom, momentum was bullish, and we have the price respected this 100 EMA in 4 hour, and that give us the confirmation. And that's what I explained to trader, just keep taking a pullback short trade here on dollar CAD based on the high time frame price action at the New York session. And explain, as long as the momentum is bearish here, you can see here, keep taking another pullback. If the price is going to respect this orange EMA, you can see here price nicely respected. We have another beautiful pullback short trade here on on dollar CAD. We had amazing trades, especially on pound dollar and dollar CAD, and we have only few trades on EURUSD. That was the pullback short trade here. The best trade we had that was the pound yen, all the yen pairs. Let me share with you the pound yen. If you look at the 4 hour, that was the major structure broker trade we had it today. Amazing. As soon as the price broke on this one, and that's what we explained to trader, guys, just keep taking a pullback long trade here until the price gonna hit this major resistance level, which price nicely, which is 156,000 level, and price nicely hit this level, and we were long all day. And let me share with you how we coordinate with the intraday analysis. And if you look at here this morning, we had a beautiful consolidation even in 4 hour. And let me share with you guys here. You can see here in 4 hour we had this consolidation. This consolidation we were looking for breakout. And if you look at here, that's what we explained to trader in intraday. Look for this breakout, and this breakout is performed at this level. You can see here, that's the breakout is performed, and beautiful. After this breakout, keep taking a pullback long trade here. When the first target hit at this level, previous high, which is 54,823 level, that's what we explained to trader. It's time to bank some profit, which is technically the first target hit. And at the New York session at this level, when the price develop another trying to sideways market pullback, and that's what we explained to trader, take another pullback breakout long as soon as the price is going to break the previous high, because we have a major structure broken, and that's the good sign. And that's what we explained to trader, just keep taking a pullback. And after this breakout, you can see here 1 2 3 4 beautiful 4 trade pullback long trade on pound dollar. So we had amazing long trade on pound yen trade. Technically all the yen pair we had a beautiful. Let me share with you the pound euro yen. You can see here that was a beautiful breakout, and that's what we explained to trader. Look guys, we have another bull flag pattern. Look for this breakout, and as you can see here, after, you can see this was the breakout trade, price nicely broken. You can see here, that's the bull flag pattern which we explained to trader. And as soon as the price broken and retest, we keep taking a pullback long here. We also had a beautiful long trade on dollar yen, pretty straightforward. That was the, you can see all the yen pair, and we explained to trader, look for another. Look here, let me share with you the today's analysis. That was the only one analysis, but a beautiful analysis. You can see here, this was the breakout trade at the London morning session. You can see here, that was the breakout trade of this consolidation. Yeah, and you can see here, that's the consolidation breakout. After the breakout, pull back, explain, and at the New York session, and again, this is the London morning session. This was the last night, so you can see another beautiful pullback. As you can see at the support level, beautiful. As soon as the price hit this level, which is technically that level, which is 109,920 level. No, I think 109,780 level. That's the level. When the price hit, we explained to trader, it's time to bank some profit. You can see all the euro, all the yen pair, we had amazing analysis and amazing pips, and most of the traders banked more than 100 pips. All right guys, I hope guys you enjoy all this analysis. If you would like to see all that analysis in the real time with a live audio commentary support, even if you don't have forex trading experience, as I said to you guys, my main objective is to train people with a live intraday analysis in the real time. So that's the best way, I believe, to trade, to learn and develop trading skill, when you see everything in real time. And once the traders develop their trading skill, we also open door for them to get funded from firms. If you are interested how I provide live coaching and training and help traders to get funded, feel free to book one-to-one consultation, and that's completely free. And my availability calendar link is also given in the video description. And once again, thank you for watching this video, and have a nice evening, and until next time, wish you all the best.